Hello everybody, Robin Malenga is my name. Current location is in Bali and we're just getting breakfast from these incredible Rolex people. Now let's first see the state of Raymond's roller.
It's a pizza. What are you talking about?
Versus how mine will look. Eh? Mine, I'm not going to allow that kind sort of thing.
No, I'm making a pizza.
Got it. 1 year. 1 year. Man, the things go in on the side. 1 year, eh? Got it. That's 1 year. But your knife, eh? It's a lie. It's a lie.
I know, man.
Got them. Just one more. Got them. What the? Okay, got them. See that. 1 year, you blind. What's your name?
His name is your name.
M-I-L-K, juice, whoa. Feel it all in my roots. The darker the berry, the sweeter the fruit. The deeper the pain, the richer the food.
Why am I recording a cow? Because our car is currently dead. Boom. We are lost at sea. Our vehicle stopped working. And we are. Problem solved. Get in the vehicle. Stop talking. Get in the vehicle. Creatures assemble. Jonah, Francis, Alan, Tim.
What up, man?
Chris.
What up?
Yeah, what up? And
Alright, no problem. Okay.
and Raymond.
Yo, what's up, man?
You're in the bad light. Let's try again. And Raymond.
And Raymond.
Yeah. And Robin. This guy knows what it's about. Alan, you're like a superhero, man.
Yeah, man.
Very nice.
If you want a challenge, please follow us.
We're going to follow you very soon, pretty soon. It's
Because
coming
you're-
at 8, huh?
What? Are you serious?
No. Awesome, man. We're going to the top?
Yep, in the middle.
Oh,
Okay. Look at that. Under the bloody waterfall. Yeah, nigga. Woo.
come and get your full photo.
Alan, tell them. Man, this is a real man. This is the smallest bloody waterfall. Can you imagine? Yeah, it's like I've taken a bloody shower. It can't be seen in the videos that I'm wet, but like, but damn, now towards the cave. Whoa. Man, I'm coming. The cave, man. Look who emerged from the cave. This is the smallest. Look at your shades, man. Man, blinking. Yeah, blinking. Oh, blinking. Oh, blinking. So where's your energy? The first stop, and we're already as excited as the smallest four. Tell them what? This is the smallest waterfall. Hey. That's the power. But that's the power of what? Kachumba, you're right. Oh, hey.
It's a bit slippery.
Slippery. You don't want to fall. Hey, you just got it.
That's a good one, man.
Okay. Okay. Come to me. Come to me. Aww.
Really nice.
Okay. No. No. Okay. No. No. Okay. So he didn't like that. That didn't go as planned. Hello. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ah man, I'm done messing with dogs. I'm done messing with dogs. Yeah, bro. Let's go on. What the hell are you guys doing? Let me join you in that jazz, man. Whoa, stronging, fi stronging, fi stronging. Raymond, we're going this side, but we're scared. We're scared. We're not as brave as you, bruh. We're fearing this kind of bridge, man. Look at it, man. Alan. Yeah, I probably shouldn't record while doing this. What do you think, like, if you want to take a quick shower, do you think, like, if you jump into the pool and come out, you're clean instantly?
Well, technically, yes.
Technically, yes. Let's jack your skin and everything. One member has given up.
Yeah, too.
Okay.
Just playing smart, man. Yeah, I'm not going.
Boo! Boo! Let the real men go. Go, bro. That is the destination. This is where we are. And if I'm not mistaken, those are fucking ladders. Oh no. Wooden bloody stairs. Alan, how do you feel?
Man, feels good, but it's scary. Protic failed to come at this fall and went on that easy one.
He went on the easy
but
one.
I made it to this one, man.
Yeah! We all made it.
Because we won the Olympics, we're going to sign up.
We're going to sign up for that. Kiprotich can't touch us. Kiprotich can't touch us. Look at this guy's sexy photo. God damn.
When you're coming to Sipi, look for job. Awesome guy. Look for job. Film job. You did a great job. Job. Wait. Be careful, you might slip and fall.
Yeah. Sipi Falls 3. And the creatures team made it. Because was there any ever doubt? Was there ever any doubt? Anyway, I think I'm gonna end there, man. Peace out, y'all.